I feel like there is so much focus on making money as a creator through brand deals when there is actually more powerful ways to make money as a content creator, filmmaker, photographer. I've been creating content for about 10 years in one way or another, that being photography, filmmaking, in short form content, social media content, web designing, and creating the content for it. Social media wasn't a big deal to generate income back then, so there was always other ways to do it. One of the income generation opportunities that not many people are talking about, or if they do, they're very niche, so the general public doesn't hear about, is creating your own digital assets, teaching others, creating a product once, selling it multiple times. You have a brand, and from that brand you can have different verticals that you can work on. You can have subscriptions, you can have mini courses, you can have full-on courses. Some people love coaching. What I don't see many creators doing is creating their own email list and creating their own digital assets, or it could be physical assets too. A big famous example is Mr. Beast and his burger place. But it doesn't have to be, but you may say, but that's huge. Yes, absolutely. But it doesn't have to be on that scale for you. There are a few creators that I follow that have created journals, productivity planners. So that's a much small scale of business, but it doesn't mean that it isn't scalable. If you compare a planner to a burger, they're on the low price and you can scale them. Building an email list is so important. I don't care what you give them in order to exchange for their email, but if anything were to happen with any of these platforms, you are able to still reach your audience. You are able to still move your audience to another platform. Do not underestimate the value of an email list. It is not as shiny or as sexy as focusing on creating a big following on social media, because it's fun, it's entertaining, it's catchy, but it will yield so much more results for you. And for anybody thinking that, hey, I don't have value or I don't know how to product, just look at it this way. There's from a 1 to 10 your skill and what you do, you fall somewhere in that scale. Say you're at 8, so therefore you have a lot of value to offer to people that are in number 1 to number 7, including number 8. So keep that in mind when creating content. Let me know if you want me to go deeper into these topics. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next one.